We are in our Gamay block, which we planted in November 2013, and we planted at the same time as we also planted our Riesling. We planted Gamay because we love the variety and thought it should grow really well in the Macedon Ranges. It's quite similar to Pinot, it's the cousin variety to the Pinot. The Gamay is sort of medium, light to medium body red wine. It's made in a very different way to Pinot in some ways. So we do Gamay in two different styles, and then we blend it all before we bottle. So this is our whole bunch, where we throw the whole bunch into this vat. What we'll do is we'll cover it with some CO2 and then cover it with like cling wrap essentially, and what it does is it ferments in its own skin slowly, and then the skins start breaking down. Basically this is called semi-carbonic maceration because it's done under carbon dioxide, or it basically doesn't really see any oxygen once it starts, until it starts fermenting, and then once it does start fermenting, the skins actually, so the juice ferments in its own skins, and the skins will slowly break down, and then that actually produces its own CO2. And at that point, then I basically take the cling wrap off and jump in and stomp on it, and break it down a little bit more, and then it's a really gentle way to ferment. It produces quite fruity but also quite earthy sort of flavours. I think the Gamay that we produce, it's got some lovely strawberry notes and black currant notes, really beautiful fruit flavours, and so it's a really fun, easy drinking wine which is great for spring and summer, and you can serve it chilled or you can serve it with food. I think looking to expand it as much as we can, because it's a great variety to work with, lots of fun in the winery, but also it's doing really well in terms of people are loving it and the Soms love it at the moment, and it's a variety that's taking off in Melbourne. And Gamay, I think, is not overly well known yet by the public, but it's becoming a definite interest, and I think the more that people know about it and the more that people taste it, it's going to actually take off. Gamay is actually just so delicious.